Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making one of my favorite easy side dishes, homemade roasted tomato salsa. Actually, traditional salsa is usually made with fresh tomatoes without roasting them, but I personally love that slightly roasted flavor. So today I am trying it a little differently, and trust me, this version tastes amazing. So let's get started. First, I took around 8 to 10 tomatoes and cut each one in half. Then I heat a little oil in a pan and place the tomatoes in one by one. I also add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic because roasted garlic gives the salsa such a delicious flavor. I cover the pan and let the tomatoes and garlic cook for about 6 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes become soft and slightly roasted. Once they were ready, I took the tomatoes out and mashed them really well. I also mashed the cooked garlic until it was nice and smooth. Then, in a bowl, I add the mashed tomatoes and garlic. Next, I add some finely chopped onion, green chilli, and fresh coriander leaves. For that perfect tangy taste, I add a little vinegar and some salt. And finally, I squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Now just give everything a really good mix and that's it. Our roasted tomato salsa is ready. It fresh, tangy, slightly spicy and has that beautiful roasted flavor. I made this specially to serve with Arabian pulao and honestly the combination is so delicious. But you can enjoy the salsa with almost any meal, snacks or your favorite dishes. Sometimes a simple side dish like this can make the whole meal taste so much better. So if you try this roasted tomato salsa, don't forget to let me know how you like it. And if you enjoy this recipe, make sure to follow for more easy and delicious recipes. See